A bar chart shows the number of students at soccer practice each weekday. Monday had 20, Tuesday had 26, Wednesday had 16, Thursday had 20, and Friday had 16. After computing the mean and median, the coach discovers there were actually 21 participants on Wednesday, not 16. Which statement describes the change in the mean and median after the correction? The choices are: A. The mean increases by 1 and the median does not change. B. The mean increases by 1 and the median increases by 1. C. The mean increases by 1 and the median increases by 5. D. The mean increases by 5 and the median increases by 1. E. The mean increases by 5 and the median increases by 5. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's picture the data. Along the bottom are the 5 weekdays, and the height of each bar is the number of students at practice. 20 on Monday, 26 on Tuesday, 16 on Wednesday, 20 on Thursday, and 16 on Friday. First, the original mean. Add the 5 values. 20 plus 26 plus 16 plus 20 plus 16 equals 98. Divide by 5 to get 19.6. For the median, sort the values from smallest to largest. 16, 16, 20, 20, 26. The middle value is 20. So the original median is 20. Now correct Wednesday from 16 to 21. We added 5 to one of the 5 values. So the sum rises by 5. From 98 to 103. The new mean is 103 divided by 5, which is 20.6. That is exactly one more than before, because 5 extra spread over 5 values raises the mean by 1. Check the median again. The corrected values sorted are 16, 20, 20, 21, 26. The middle value is still 20. So the median does not change. So the mean increases by 1 and the median stays the same. The answer is choice A. The mean increases by 1 and the median does not change.